Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, then hi, this is Shyamolima. And if you've already subscribed to my channel, then please keep on watching the video till the end. Today's topic is basically on slow living. So we are all living in a fast-paced world. It can be easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of everyday life. We're constantly on the go, and it can be hard to find time to slow down and enjoy the moment. But what if we embraced slow living and made an effort to savor the little things in life? In this video, we will explore the benefits of living slowly and provide tips on how to make the most of your time. Slow down, take a deep breath, and let's begin. The first step towards slow living is to declutter your life. Start by clearing away the physical and mental declutter that's weighing you down. Then focus on living in the present moment instead of dwelling on the past or worrying about the future. Be mindful of the things you do and savor the little moments in life. When you're eating, take the time to really taste and enjoy your food. When you are walking, take in the sights and sounds around you. Focus on one task at a time and don't get caught in multitasking. Slow living is all about being mindful and living in the moment and with intention. Another part of slow living is to set boundaries and prioritize your well-being. Learn to say no to the things that don't align with your values and goals. Make life time for self-care, whether it's exercise, meditation, or simply relaxing with the book. Give yourself permission to rest and recharge and avoid overcommitting. Slow living is not about being lazy or unproductive, but rather finding a balance between work and leisure. It's about doing things with intention and enjoying the present moment. Another aspect of slow living is cultivating relationships. Take the time to nourish your relationships with friends and family. Slow down and really listen to the people in your life. Be present and engaged in conversations and make an effort to connect on a deeper level. When you are with loved ones, put away your phone and enjoy the moment. Slow living is about creating meaningful connections and cherishing the people in your life. As you practice slow living, you may find that your overall health and well-being improve. Slow living has been linked to reduced stress level, improved sleep, and enhanced focus. It can also increase your gratitude and appreciation for life. You may find that you have more energy to pursue your passions and hobbies. Slow living can seriously change your life for the better, and it all starts with taking small steps towards a more mindful living. Now that you have an overview of slow living, it's time to put it into practice. Start small and focus on one area of your life at a time. Remember, there is no right way to slow living. It's all about finding what works for you and making small and sustainable changes. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such enlightening videos.